Mother Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, and all my colleagues of our prestigious school. This is the auspicious day of Teachers' Day, and I am Priyanka here to give vote of thanks and share few words to my lovely students preparing for their half-yearly exams. First of all, I would like to thank all the students who have performed their innate talents and performance on the stage to show their love and respect towards teacher. Dear students, exams are approaching, correct? Are you prepared? Being your teacher, I would like to help you by telling some points and you can go for it to achieve desired goal in exam. First of all, start removing all the negativity. I have often seen children speaking to themselves, I can't do it, it is impossible, I am capable of it, I haven't done it ever before. Stop saying this. Instead say, I can do it, I can learn, I can achieve. Send positive affirmation to your mind and your mind will act accordingly. I will like to help you few words of Kabir Das ji. जिन खोजा तिन पाया गहरे पानी पैठ, जिन खोजा तिन पाया गहरे पानी पैठ, मैं बावरा बूढ़न डरा रहा किनारे बैठ। अर्थात जो व्यक्ति किनारे पर बैठा रहकर पानी की गहराई को मापता रहता है, अर्थात डूबने के डर से पानी में नहीं उतरता, वो कभी भी अपने जीवन में अपने इच्छित लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति नहीं कर सकता और ना ही मूल्यवान वस्तु प्राप्त कर सकता है। और जो व्यक्ति अपने भय पर विजय प्राप्त करके पानी की गहराइयों में उतरता है, उसे ही मूल्यवान मोती अर्थात उसे ही अपने लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति होती है। Now, second point is have a disciplinary schedule and study regularly. Thus, revision on exam day will help you a lot. Memorize the chapter and notes with active recall technique. Third is focusing on one subject can't make a brilliant student. You have to give time to all your subjects with equal importance, as it will increase your overall performance during your study hours. Stay concentrated, stay focused. Self-study is a lot important. To concentrate, you must have to remove all your distractions, especially mobile phone. You can either turn off your phone or put it away. Fourth is, don't forget to take break. In that, you go for some exercise or have healthy fruits to reboot your energy and start study again with a lot of enthusiasm. During this break, don't touch your mobile phone. For all these, you have to create a to-do list and have a study timetable. By these, you can complete the chapter and be well prepared. Last but not the least, health is wealth. So have nutritious diet and proper sleep. Do meditations, don't panic, don't take stress, be relaxed, have self-confidence as hard work always pays off. Now, I would like to conclude my message with these words. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होत सुजान, करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होत सुजान, रसरी आवत जावत ते सिल पर परत निशान। अर्थात जो व्यक्ति निरंतर लगातार मेहनत करता रहता है, उसे ही सफलता प्राप्त होती है। जिस प्रकार से कुएं की मुंडेर पर बार बार रस्सी के आते जाने से उस पर सिल पर भी निशान बन जाते हैं, उसी प्रकार अगर हम भी किसी पर बार बार मेहनत करें, लगातार अगर हम अभ्यास करेंगे तो हम कठिन विषय पर भी आसानी से पारंगत हासिल कर सकते हैं, अर्थात सफलता प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। फॉर ऑल दिस आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक अनन्या फ्रॉम 9th B who wrote my thoughts and expression in words. All the best of all of you, my dear students. Lots of love. Thank you so much.